Class, this is a good picture of the kidney itself. We can say the outer port is called the renal capsule, and the outer area is the renal cortex itself, and the inner area is the renal medulla. If we look at some medullary structures, we have pyramids here inside the medulla, and these areas between the pyramids where there's blood vessels, we call these the renal columns. At the tip of the pyramids, we have these areas called the papillae, which drip urine into the minor calyx, major calyxes, and the major calyxes come together to form the renal pelvis, which exits out as the ureter. The ureter is found in an area of the kidney called the renal hilus, and the renal hilus contains the ureter, the renal artery, and the renal vein. If we look into the renal cortex, we can see these circles. These are the glomeruli that make up one of the functional units of your nephron. The nephron is the part that makes the kidney filter urine, and it's made up of the glomerulus and the renal tubular systems. The renal tubular system is divided into the proximal and the distal convoluted tubules and the collecting ducts, and the collecting ducts go through the pyramid and bring urine out into the papillae, into the minor calyx. The entire hollowed area inside this area we can also call the renal sinus, and the renal sinus is composed of the minor calyx, the major calyx, and the renal pelvis before it comes out as the ureter. And this is the model of the kidney.